Hi, this is Mr. Worski here, and we're going to start our first screencast in AP Biology, which is entitled Chemistry. Now, if at any time as you're taking your notes, you need to pause, please pause it. This is all on you. You're doing this on your own. So we're going to break chemistry up in a number of different parts. The first part is introduction of what biology is, and of course, it's the study of life. And as you learned in ninth grade, hopefully you did, life, what do you need for life? You need energy to survive, reproduce, and use energy. That's called metabolism. You need to maintain a balance. That's homeostasis. You need to grow, reproduce, make another copy of yourself somehow. Respond to environmental stimuli. So those are the five main characteristics of life. Now, there's kind of two more sort of sets of life or characteristics. One that we're made up of cells. So if you're a virus, you're out of luck because you're not made out of cells. And you adapt. Now, they would say evolve, which would be bad, and we'll learn about how bad it is later. But in order to truly understand life, we need to understand a bit of chemistry. So let's get started with chemistry. So, and in chemistry, hopefully you've learned about all these definitions, which is element. We're going to start off with elements first. And an element is a substance that cannot be broken down and keep its characteristic properties. So there are 118 elements. 92 of them are naturally occurring. Of the 92, 25 are necessary for life, only 25. And of the 25, 6 make up 99% of all living matter. Now, those 6, you can break them down and give yourself a little word to remember. Sponge. They are sulfur. No one write this down. Sulfur, phosphorus, oxygen, nitrogen, carbon, and hydrogen, known as the sponge element. Sometimes they say chomps. I like to say sponge. It's easier for me to say. Now, these are not in an infinite supply. They are very finite. So they must be cycled through the environment. So we're going to take a look at some of these element cycles in our very first lab. We're based on one of these cycles.